Hey guys, it's me, Folly Right, and this is my first ever video. And to make this video better, I brought a really nice gaming keyboard to unbox today. And you guys might know, who am I? I am basically the YouTuber Bailey Red. Or Reed Bailey. I guess I took inspiration from him. Okay, so while I unbox this gaming keyboard, I would like to guys tell you about me and who am I and where I am from. So I am from basically the Middle East. I can't tell where is my country yet, or where I'm at right now. That's for later, I think. So right now I'm gonna set this camera up. I don't have a phone stand. I put this thing right over here. I broke the phone stand. Okay, let's set this phone here. Okay, great, perfect. Right, so I'm gonna be unboxing this gaming keyboard. This is the gaming keyboard that I have right now. I don't know what is that on my screen. Let me make the scenery better. Way better. Let me do this real quick. Okay, never mind. I think I should turn on the lights. I'm gonna turn on the lights real quick. Okay. So as you can see, guys, this is my gaming keyboard that I got for myself. It's a gaming mechanical keyboard, dynamic RGB lighting, freely change RGB lighting. So I really love loud keyboards. It's just it makes me feel gamer, you know? Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is move this stuff out the way. And now I should open this up. I got this for hella cheap, by the way, and I think it's good for the price. How do I open this? I'm actually so slow. How do I open this? I opened it. Here we go. Here's where the fun begins. Oh my god, I'm actually so excited. This is the first time of me owning a mechanical keyboard. Later I will have a what's it called? Yeah, later I'm gonna have a magnetic switch keyboard. So yeah, this is what I got. This is a USB to USB-C. Thankfully, I can use this thing for my PlayStation. I don't have a computer. That's for later, though. I'm gonna have a computer after college, even though I'm 17. Anyways, this is a keycap and switch puller. I'm gonna put this aside, and yes, here's a keyboard. Oh, perfect. Here you go, guys. This is a surprisingly heavy. This is heavier than I thought. I thought it was like really light. Turns out it's good for the weight. Oh yeah, this is gonna go so well. Look at this. Oh, okay, guys, this is the sound. This is a sound test for this keyboard, but not yet though. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna turn it on just now and look at the RGB because I'm a big RGB fan, even though RGB doesn't increase the FPS. We all know that already. Okay, so what I should do now is connect. I'm running out of breath. I'm just too excited for this. Yeah, so this is the cable for this keyboard. Gentlemen, right here, because this is gone. This is no more. I don't have to use it anymore. The cables for this keyboard is horrible. It's really horrible, and I know it. It's like really long. It can get tangled. It's like your typical Chinese. Anyways, this is a keyboard. I'm gonna connect this right now and see what it looks like. I am assuming the RGB is gonna be really bright. 1, 2, 3. I connected it. Oh my god, the RGB is beautiful and it works too. Look at this. It's bright. It's beautiful. Oh my god, I'm about to cry, man. I'm assuming you press FN and this thing should change the... Oh my god. This is beautiful. This is a keyboard, guys. It's bright. It's beautiful. I want to change the colors. How do you change the colors? Enrique! This sounds beautiful. Okay, screw the RGB. Screw it. This is a sound test. I'm going to put it next to the phone just so you can guys hear it clearly. I'm going to put it next to the phone.
6.5 hours later.
It's just beautiful. I'm telling you right now. This is the best money I have spent. Okay, so... Okay, guys. I unboxed this. Oh, yeah, I forgot. It has this thing. These legs. I'm gonna figure out how you can change the colors for the RGB later. So yeah, I'm gonna make really fun content. I'm gonna like do some pretty much everything that comes to mind. And yeah, thank you guys for watching the video. Like and subscribe, please. I am very broken. I mean broke.